Hey, welcome to Neversink Farm, and I'm here in the lettuce section of the field. And our family eats lettuce every day. It's either salad or some form of lettuce. And so I wanted to show you kind of our three favorite varieties. And if you're farming, I find these to be great varieties for the farm as well. That's how we got turned on to them, is we were growing them to sell, and we still grow them to sell, but we decide on the lettuce heads by what we like. So the first row, that's Salad Nova, and all farmers are going to be, very familiar with it. It makes great heads. They look beautiful. They look like roses. At least the butterleaf ones do. And they make a great lettuce mix. And who doesn't like just going to the fridge, grabbing washed bag lettuce that's nice and fresh, and you're just making your salad. That's the great benefit to it. It makes a beautiful lettuce mix. It's easy and tastes great. I find personally, don't write me hate lettuce, it tastes better than the baby lettuce. We used to seed baby lettuce where we'd cut it with, like a greens harvester, and then it would regrow, and it's just little, those kind of like get all matted, and they're so small, and like they're really finicky. But I find this is better. It's got a little bit of a crunch to it, but it still tastes, it's still tender. A wonderful lettuce. And it's a staple throughout the winter. Once summer hits, then I like some nice crispy lettuce, especially because we do a lot of tacos and burgers, things like that, where you want some lettuce with some substance or sandwiches. And that's what both the iceberg lettuce and the romaine lettuce are perfect for that. And, look, I like shredded iceberg lettuce. I think it's great on a sandwich, and it's great in different things. I know it's considered sort of a cheap lettuce or something, but when you're growing it yourself, it's very, very different. It's the one that creates tight heads. And what's nice about it is when you wait for them to mature, they're going to hold up better at the farmer's market than like a butterhead or something. They just kind of protect itself, which is nice. The same is true of romaine, but we do a lot of Caesar salads. I love Caesar salads with this. I love any salad we make with this. It's just, to me, it's like summer. We don't grow this in the winter, so it's a special treat to have, homegrown romaine. Such a wonderful, wonderful lettuce. And yeah, it does hold up really nice. Right about now, it's ready to harvest. This won't be ready to harvest for a couple more weeks. It's just starting to form heads now. But this, we're already harvesting it away. We're working ourselves through the bed. All right, so those are my three favorite lettuces that we grow. Let me know what yours are. There's thousands of lettuce. I'm probably swayed because these are great sellers too, and they work great on the farm. Anyway, thanks for watching. Till next time.